Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about average directional movement ADX index, another very useful index in trading industry. This video is provided by ProSkills Analysis Department of Zero Spread Company. There is our contact where you can contact us with any of them, which is fine for you. If you have any question or any video do you like to have. What we're going to talk about today, different categories of technical indicators, then about ADX, the general information about that, how to use it in our trades, technical setting, and then we will try that in a live chart to understand it better. As I told before, totally we have three different kind of the indicators: trend following indicators, momentum indicators, and volatility indicators, which you can see there is a different example of them. I mean, the most useful of each of them I told here. We have the video for all of them on our website. You can check one by one and see how they work. So this indicator developed by Mr. Waller in 1978, and you can use it for any kind of symbols in the market. This indicator moves between 0 and 100, and totally we have three lines here: ADX line, DI plus, and DI minus. As I told, in different time frames and for different symbols, so there is no a limitation in the time frame and the symbols, and you can use it for any of them. This is how it's calculated by mathematics, but today we are not going to talk about how it's calculation and stuff like that, so you can search and find it. It's not, I don't think that is that much useful for you. These three lines which we have, one of them is the ADX line, which can show us that how the trend is weak or powerful or strong, and then also DI plus and DI minus, they will show you the direction. Let's go and try it in a live chart. This is the general setting. Try to use it in a period day of 14 and minimum level of 20. There you can add 3 levels. I will show you that how you can add these 3 levels there and which one of them means what. This is a general setting. Try to use this standard setting as long as you don't have any special plan or any special idea what to do. Here is let's do, first of all I will delete this indicator from here, and so this is the Euro USD chart, and we have the live chart. Today is today's the 5th of February on demo account of hot forex chart. So I'm gonna try it here to show you how it works. So let's add this indicator, average directional movement, which is ADX. Okay, so we're going to add this here. The period of time I'm using 14. Style ADX line is going to be the white line, is going to be ADX line, yellow line going to be DI plus, and DI minus going to be green. The levels, add please these 3 levels here. You can add, like, let me delete these levels, and so here you can add 3 levels at 20, 40, and 50, right? These levels, why we need these levels, I will explain why we need these levels and how they help you. Okay, so let's move on to the chart. Okay, so what we see here, this is the index chart, this ADX. Here we have 3 lines. Let me take screenshots and where is so whatever. We have here different lines, right? ADX, first of all, ADX line. What's this? This ADX line shows us how the trend is strong, how powerful or weak is our trend. For example, There is, as I told this, we have three lines, right? 20, 40, and 50. If this ADX line above 20, it means that we have weak trend. If it's above 40, it means when it comes above 40, like here, 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 and here, it means that we have strength trend. I mean, our trend is much more powerful. And then this line, ADX line, above 50, it means that externally strange trend we have, and it's so powerful and gonna go long. So the ADX line will show us the strength of the trend. It doesn't show you the direction of the trend. Look, for example, here it came down, like you see here, but we don't have any downtrend here. I mean, there's the side movement, so there is no any sign with this white line, with the ADX line. There is no sign of if you want to say that the direction of the trend. There is no sign of the direction of the trend. It just shows you how your trend is weak or powerful. The second thing, so I explained the ADX line and as well as these levels, right? Now we have the second line, which is green, yellow. I changed the color, it's the yellow here, which is the DI plus. DI plus line, and the other one is it's the yellow, so DI plus, and the red one is DI minus. Then DI plus above, it's above DI minus, it means that you have uptrend. So DI plus above DI minus, uptrend. If it's vice versa, it means downtrend. So if DI minus comes up and DI plus comes down, it means downtrend. So uptrend, it's when DI plus is above DI minus. And when it's the DI minus, like here, is above DI plus, it means that we have a downtrend. Look, downtrend here is above this. Uptrend, yellow or DI plus, is above DI minus. So this is how generally it works. I mean, the DI plus and DI minus, they show us together. They show us that if we have if we have the uptrend or downtrend. So now what's the next one? So we understood here the DI plus and DI minus, what they do. So they show us the where the trend is. The ADX line can show us where is the how can I say that how powerful or weak is your trend. So now let's go and understand. Let's go and see how we can understand the buy or sell signal from them. How they can explain us. Let me take another screenshot from there and explain you how it can give us the how we can understand the buy or sell signal with them. So now we are going to talk just about the buy and sell signal. Then DI plus cross DI minus from down, it means buy signal. You could buy here. If DI plus cross DI minus from above, it means sell signal. You can see here it gives you the sell signal, and but here again give you the buy signal. So if you sold here, so you can close your position in this level. Same here, the sell signal, but change this idea again. Here again the sell signal, change the idea here. Again here the sell signal, buy signal. You can see here this side movement. And if you see the difference between when it's a side movement, the difference between these two lines, di plus and di minus, also, so we don't have that much, they are not that far than each other. When they are so close together, it means that we have the side movement. So here again, here we have buy signal, which should be closed here, because di plus cross the di minus from above. It means the sell. So if you bought here, you can close your position here. Again, here there is a sell signal, but it closed. You have to close your position here because it crossed. Again, it gives here the buy signal, and again here there is a buy signal. If you go direct log, you can see there is a buy signal, and again there is a sell signal. When di plus crosses the di minus from above, sell. When di plus cross di minus from down, buy. But as I told you before, none of these technical indicators by them out and alone, they are not giving you 100% of the market, and they are just to give you, they are here just to give you an idea about how the market moves and how you can generally use them, to get the wider idea about the market. And do not make decision just based on these indicators alone, and try to use them with others. So for example, ADX is good to use with RSI together. So how you can use the RSI in the ADX, we will have another video how you can use these indicators together. But if to have just an idea what is the ADX, average directional index, and how it works and how you can use that in your trends, that's a very short description about ADX and how you can use it in your trades. If you have any question, please write us with the email or Facebook, or you can send us our Telegram channel or WhatsApp, whatever is fine for you. Thank you so much, and hope it was useful for you. Safe trades. Bye.